Oh, look at that. Look at the baby. 9 pounds, 19 inches. A big old boy. There go to mama. There go that pappy.
I just happy.
There go that grandmammy. I'm G Pappy. I don't go by no grand.
Correction, Grand. Who am I? Gma?
Gma.
Gma.
Oh yeah, 'cause I'm G Pappy.
Too sexy to be some granny.
Yeah, I'm still a little too live for any grand. Can't put grand on this G Pappy. That's G Pappy there. Look at that baby. Gave her ass hell, didn't you, on the way out, didn't you? Came out letting her know who's the new boss. Yeah. Yeah, who the new boss? Yeah. Look at Noah. Look at Noah. Stake your claim. Tell him remember all the hell she gave. Hell yes. Now you be calling your mama talking about the baby. Look at that baby there. Y'all remember this look right here though? Just look cool. It's gonna be my little nigga there. He gonna give you hell, girl. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, look at that double shot, my knee and baby Noah. That's right. You can tell him they can see the baby on YouTube. Coming to a YouTube near you real soon. That's right. SOS. Smoke one, son.